In today's digital age, the alarming ability to easily fake documents such as real estate deeds, titles, and even wills has become amazingly easy for counterfeiters. Even more unsettling is the ease with which one can alter a website address by changing just one letter and registering this new address. This rampant forgery undermines trust and security in our society. Document fraud costs us billions of dollars annually. What is the role of a notary public and why are they needed? First, it is extremely difficult for the local government or the state to have the staff to oversee each transfer of documents in every community. To assist, states created associations to do background checks and hire citizens in good standing to act as the gap to assure that the transfers are authentic and legitimate. A notary public plays a crucial role in ensuring that the signatures they notarize are authentic, and that the individuals signing the documents are who they claim to be. Furthermore, the notary public must confirm that these individuals are signing these documents willingly and knowingly as willing participants in the transaction. To do this, the notary public is required to verify the identity of those requesting notarization by checking their identification. These notarial acts help certify the signers' identities and ensure they are participating willingly, thus preventing fraud. However, who verifies the notary public? Why are significant improvements in the notarial process important? Many states have relied on the same notarization method that utilizes a simple rubber ink stamp. This process was first introduced in 1866. These rubber stamps can be easily created or purchased by anyone online. Moreover, the same individuals who can create a fake stamp can also produce or obtain blank deeds and other real estate documents, as well as estate documents, powers of attorney, and other important documents, making it relatively simple to create counterfeit deeds and various other official documents. In some states, legislative approval is required to improve this process, even to change from using a rubber stamp. Barcode LLC can secure this process with an HD CypherCode without the need to modify the existing rubber stamp. What is an HD CypherCode by Barcode LLC? And how can an HD CypherCode be used to not only authenticate a notary, but authenticate and verify important documents such as deeds or other real estate documents as well? HD CypherCode is patented technology by Barcode LLC. HD CypherCode is a secure, private, two-dimensional code that only authorized devices can read with our proprietary smartphone app and the matching authorization key. In our solution, each notary agency is provided its own HD CypherCode code generator and a unique authorization key with the ability to add a secret phrase used for encryption of the data. As long as that agency's generator is kept secure, they can generate a code that is unique and only their personnel can decode. The HD CypherCode solution for notaries utilizes a process similar to multi-factor authentication with a one-time code which is traditionally sent as a text or phone call, but in a much faster and more secure process. Creating a simple, cost-effective solution to securing the notary process is important. HD CypherCode can be used to not only authenticate each authorized notary public, but also offer important optional information such as name, area or region they operate in, and notary expiration date. Even optional data like a photograph or an image of the signature of the notary public can be included and embedded in the HD CypherCode. The notary agency can enter this data utilizing a simple Windows desktop HD CypherCode code generator. When completed, each notary public is mailed and receives a water-resistant, pressure-sensitive label from the notary agency that contains two codes. The first is a QR code with a URL that takes the notary public back to the secure notary agency website instead of having to call and receive a callback, saving time. Next to that, on the label is a secure HD CypherCode with the information encoded into it for authenticating the notary public. That label is applied to the notary identification card and used by the notary public. It then becomes a simple process of authentication. The notary process begins with a person requesting their signature on an important document be notarized. They go to their state notary public with their document and identification. The Notary Public verifies the person's identity. Next, the Notary Public scans the standard QR code on their own state notary agency's ID card. The QR code launches a secure web app activating the smartphone's camera for the Notary Public. The Notary Public scans the HD CypherCodes on the same label on their notary card. To prevent copying the Notary Public's code and creating a new fake ID card, optional anti-copy features can be added to the HD CypherCode. As an added layer of security, the web app can be configured to prompt the Notary Public for their unique identifier. This process instantly verifies this is an authentic Notary Public, and the program will display on their phone a unique one-time authorization code for the Notary Public to handwrite on the document beneath their standard rubber ink stamp. This is multi-factor authentication with something you know and something you have, the HD CypherCode. This authorization code can contain information unique to that Notary Public and area or region, as well as an identifier for the Notary Agency. This process should not take more than 20 seconds to complete. We also have solutions available for the online notary process. Then to validate if a genuine Notary Public notarized the document. The document section of the government agency can be securely provided with a list of the Notary Public's name, unique identifier, and one-time authorization codes by the state notary agency. This secured list can be used to compare to what is written on the notarized document. HD CypherCode can also be used for document authentication. The entire document can be embedded and converted to a patented HD CypherCode that cannot be modified or created. This can provide absolute authentication of a document or even an individual's identification. The data in the HD CypherCode can be in any language. HD CypherCodes can also be provided to address mobile authentication requirements. Working with our exclusive partner, biometric identification can even be added to the process. No internet, cloud, or database available? No problem, as HD Barcode can create solutions that do not require this because our cloud is the code. To learn more about HD CypherCode or to see a demonstration of how they can protect the notary process and important documents, please contact our sales team or visit our website at hdbarcode.com.